Hey, this will be a video chart on WAMUQ, Washington Mutual Incorporated. Been doing this one every Friday for the past couple months, and definitely deserves an update after the past couple days. Just huge moves. Uh, I've been trying to follow the story, but I won't lie, I'm still kind of fuzzy on it. I think there's been some court stuff going on, but all I know is my guess would be that it's going in favor of the Bulls just based on the chart. That's why I like charts, because you don't even have to understand what's going on. You can just look at the chart, see the way things have been going, see the past couple of days, and know that for the time being at least, things have definitely been going the way the Bulls want them to. So with all that being said, time for another update, and we got quite a bit of updating to do. We need to map out some new resistance levels, update some supports, and so forth. So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of get rid of that support there. Um, we'll leave this trend line. If you watch my videos, you know this trend line is the key one and the ultimate support that we want to watch. We're so far above it now that it would take just something atrocious to cause it to fail for right now, because I mean, like I said, the price closed up here. This key support's all the way down here, so I'm not going to really mention anything more of it. I'm going to just get rid of this support level now. That one's not. Get rid of this resistance. And now we're left with these two things. First thing I want to do, this resistance has been turned into a support because the bulls have, crushed through it. So that is going to be the first. The next one is going to be kind of making this line a little thicker. This is the must hold, the blue line support, but at the same time, this level here at 25, this is the level where you'd still like to see it hold if the price were to come all the way down here. I don't think that's going to happen, but it's one of those where, as you can see, did a good job of acting as resistance there, and then here was support. I actually tried to pick up some shares right here at 25 cents. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have put in at 0.251 or 0.252, but I left it at 25 and I never got filled right there. So as you can imagine, I'm kind of angry, but that's just how things fall, and that's my fault. I should have slipped it in a little bit ahead of 25 since that was the support, but oh well. Now for the fun stuff, time to map out and figure out where our resistance levels are. So for this, we're going to have to scrunch up the chart a little bit. And as you can see, going back over here, we've got some previous highs. And right now we have, let's try that again. There we go. We have a level right about here. It was a high of this day and then the close of that one. And this is at 40.5 cents. So you can see the price did get above their intraday, but from the daily chart perspective, we care about where the stock closes. So right now, this is the new area of resistance that we want to get through. If 40.5 cents falls, then the next level of resistance is going to be the high up here. So let me get that up here at 44 cents. And then after that, it could, well, it's not going to quite be a blue sky breakout, but it'll be pretty darn impressive. So as I always said, I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. Right now, let's just make sure we can get through these resistance levels. The other thing to note is, consolidation is a good thing, and we've just had another example of this. I know some people are getting a little frustrated during this part, but look how look how much that benefited it. You correspond that with the actual volume. Look how much volume dropped off. So this makes a great example of low volume consolidation, and then when you get a jolt of volume, how things can get really explosive. So if there is another thing of consolidation coming, just remember, the stents, when was this, back here in mid-December, all these consolidation periods have proven to be very strong for it, and I wouldn't expect anything different if it does go through another one. Now the chart is pretty overextended, so I wouldn't be surprised to see some red, but once again, controlled red, and when I say controlled red, I mean low volume pullbacks or sideways days, that's fine. We do have another support up here that I'm going to call the ideal support. Ideally, in the perfect world, it'd be great if this level right here could hold, which is the high from yesterday, and that is at 35.5 cents. So like I said, if we could just come down here and consolidate before moving up, that would look really strong and really good. But if it does fail, no need to worry, because we still have so many support levels below us. We still have our moving averages. So like I said, if someone granted me, well, what would be the perfect consolidation for you? It would be to stay above this level here. But by no means is it required in order for the chart to remain bullish. Nothing like that. So this is where the chart stands for now. Just a great past few days, and The volume's been great, huge liquidity, so it's been a great trader and all around for everybody. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting really good reviews. And then with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and everything's free. So it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. One more time, this was WAMUQ. Thanks for listening.